Restoration can strengthen agriculture and build climate resilience. But there is a specialized approach that takes this even further: ecosystem-based adaptation, or EBA. EBA uses the power of nature to help people adapt to the impacts of climate change. It's not just about restoring ecosystems. It's about strategically managing and restoring them in ways that directly protect communities, livelihoods, and economies. In the next task, we will explore what EBA is, how it works, and why it's an essential strategy for climate-smart restoration.